SP Tools 218-piece metric and SAE toolkit in Custom Series toolbox. Custom Series SP Tools mid-size storage system. The box is 668mm wide and 445mm in depth. It features a combination of 7 drawers in 160mm or 570mm width. The tool chest lid is equipped with heavy-duty dual gas struts and a full-length piano hinge joint. The drawers are equipped with full extension 28 ball bearing slides. The slides are rated to carry 40 kilos per pair. The side of the box is equipped with easy grip chrome plated handles. The tool chest features high quality dual layer UV resistant powder coat finish. SP Tools 103-piece metric and SAE socket and accessory set in EVA foam. The kit includes quarter drive metric and SAE sockets 4 to 13mm and 3/16 to ½ inch. 3/8 drive metric and SAE sockets 6 to 22mm and quarter to 7/8 of an inch. ½ inch drive metric and SAE sockets 10 to 32 and 3/8 to 1 1/4 inch. 3/8 and ½ inch drive spark plug sockets in both 5/8 and 13/16. Quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive soft grip 45 tooth ratchets. Quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive soft grip breaker bars. Quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive universal joints. A range of quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive extension bars and a range of socket drive adapters. SP Tools 25-piece metric and SAE spanner set in EVA foam. The kit includes quad drive combination spanners 6 to 19mm and quarter to 7/8. SP Tools combination spanners have 2 exclusive features that set them apart. The quad drive open end. This feature enables the open end of the wrench to grip on 4 sides of the fastener instead of the normal 2. The gripping point moves away from the corner of the fastener to the flat side due to the internal radius corners that are part of the internal design of the wrench. The dual flat drive ring end. This feature has 2 parts. First, the unique shape of the internal ring causes the fastening force to be applied to the flat side of the fasteners rather than the corners. The second is the flat top and bottom of the ring end. By not chamfering the internal ring of the wrench, we have extended the length of the contact to the fastener. This is extremely useful when dealing with damaged bolts or where bolts are recessed and access is limited. SP Tools 12-piece chrome alloy screwdriver set with induction hardened tips, 6 Phillip head screwdrivers from 38mm to 150mm in length, 6 standard blade screwdrivers from 38mm to 150mm in length. All screwdrivers feature SP Tools ergonomic dual texture soft grips. SP Tools chrome alloy plier and cutters with induction hardened cutting and gripping points. These include 200mm diagonal cutters with dual texture grips, 200mm long nose plier with dual texture grips, 200mm combination plier with dual texture grips, 250mm 3 rivet heavy duty locking pliers that feature chrome alloy steel jaws, 250mm heavy duty multi-grip pliers made from chrome alloy steel, and 250mm adjustable wrench made from chrome alloy steel. SP Tools S2 chrome alloy steel 9-piece hex and Torx key sets, 9-piece metric set from 1.5 to 10mm, a 9-piece SAE set from 1/16 to 3/8, and 9-piece Torx set from T10 to 50. A 7-piece chrome alloy steel pin punch set, sizes 2 through to 10mm, a 16-ounce ball peen hammer with genuine hickory handle from a certified FSC timber source, 31-piece bit set including a quarter drive low profile mini ratchet, metric bits 1.5 to 7mm, SAE bits 1/16 to 1/4, and Torx bits T8 to T45. The kit also includes an SP Tools 8mm tape measure and a 4-piece mini hook and pick set.